Logical reasoning. Let's read the question. Which of the following is not a statement? A statement in mathematics is when you ask yourself, you can answer either true or false. If you can answer yes, it is a statement. If you can't, you say it is not statement. For A, let's say for A is 2x equal to 2x. So it seems like it is true. So this is a statement. But we want not a statement. So this is not the answer. This is a true statement. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 equal to 13. It is false. It's a statement. So this is not the answer. It's a false statement. This is a subset. The 236 set 236 is a subset to this set. So it is true. So we want the non-statement. So this is the answer. 2x equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. So we are not sure about the x. So we can't tell the truth of the statement. We can't decide true or false. So hence, this is not a statement. Not a statement is 2x equal to 6 because we can't decide the true or false. Question number 2. Let's see question number 2. If 4 is an odd number, then 4 is not divisible by 2. So for this one, we are asking to determine the contrapositive for the above implication. So what is contrapositive? So let me revise you about the Form 4 syllabus. We have the if A, then B, right? If A, then B. So let's say 4 is a statement A, B is 4 is an odd number is statement A, and then 4 is not divisible by 2 is the statement B. So this is A, this is B. If A then B, if we converse, we do converse, it will be if B then A, right? So if we negate the converse, it will be contrapositive. So if not, so it becomes if not B, then not A. So we have to negate the statement, meaning that if this is 4 is an odd number, when we negate, 4 is an even number, that's called negate, right? If we negate this one, 4 is not divisible by 2, we want to negate the statement B will be 4 is divisible by 2. So if we negate the B, which is not B, 4 is divisible by 2 because the one given is not. So when we want to negate, we must go against the statement. Not divisible by 2, it will be divisible by 2. So if 4 is divisible by 2, right, then A is an odd number. How to negate so that it is not an odd number? Of course, it will become an even number. So the answer is B. So meaning that for contrapositive, we have to converse the statement. If A then B, so we have to write if B then A. That means we have to write this statement first, followed by this one. This one go first, followed by this. After that, we have to negate the statement. So the answer for number 2 is B. For number 3, which of the following is false statement? Okay, false statement. So if it is an or, there's an or there, either one true, it will be true. 4 is a factor of 20, so this is true. All prime number have 2 factors. Yes, example 3, the factor is 1 and 3. Right, 2 factor. Okay, this is true. For number C, 1 is a factor for all integers. Example, we have integer 4, so it can be expressed as 1 multiplied by 4. We have 5 is 1 multiplied by 5. We have 1000. We can write 1 times 1000. So yes, it is true. For D, all polygons, it should be all polygons, not some, right? All polygons have sum of interior angle of 360. So this is false statement, because the question asking for false statement. Alright, so let's see number 4. Question number 4. Determine whether the reason of each following argument is based on an inductive argument. What is means by inductive argument? Inductive argument is always start from many specific example, then we draw to one general statement. Specific to general. So the square root of 3 power 2 is 3. The square root of 3 power 2 is 3. The square root of 4 power 2 is 4. So hence we can come up with a general conclusion, which is n squared will be n. So this is how we draw the conclusion based on the example given. So this is one example of inductive argument. For deductive argument, it's always start from or from a general statement, then it will have many specific example. All parallel lines have the same gradient. Example, y equal to 2x plus 3 is parallel, y equal to 2x plus 6 is parallel. So from a general statement, we will give specific example. So this is so-called deductive. So when we see or, we say it's deductive argument. So the answer for inductive argument will be B. Alright. Let's proceed to number 5, which is the last question. Some of the workers in the factory have SPM qualification some. So based on the statement, determine the false statement. So only some of the workers have the SPM qualification. So not all workers in the factory have SPM qualification. Is right, it's true. The workers in the factory do not have an SPM qualification. It's true also. Alright, at least one employee in the factory have an qualification of SPM. Yes. D, let's see D. If Jamalia works in the factory, then Jamalia must have an SPM qualification. No, because according to the statement, some of the workers, some, right, not all. So this is a false statement. So the answer is D. So that is my sharing about logical mathematics. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.